Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So if you see here, we have this question from Känguru test, Sweden's Känguru test. Here they are asking, in which diagram does the shaded part have the largest area? We need to observe all these four figures and we need to come to a conclusion that which has the largest shaded area. Okay. If you look in the figure 1, here you are given a square in all those figures. Okay. So this is 4 quarter circles. If you add them, you will get one complete circle, right? Here in this figure 2, this is already a complete circle. So they are equal. If you see figure 3, this is semicircle, this is semicircle. So this is a complete circle. So that means these all three are equal. And here this is one semicircle and 2 quarter circle, and it will also become one complete circle. So if you see here, all these 4 shaded areas are full circles. So we will say that all shaded parts have same area, right? So I hope you understood this. This was very easy. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And for more questions, visit my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.